Okay guys, so next I'm going to put on these drive lines, and I don't know if you can see that or not. Hopefully you can. But I tried to line up that hole. And I'm going to stick this pin in there. I don't know if I can do this on camera. We'll see. Let's see if I get that in there. Alright, we got that one in there. Now the same with the rear. Move this light over here. See if we can pull this electronics out of the way. Put this on. Line it up with the hole. And get that in there. Alright, drive lines are on. So next we'll work on the shocks. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and take apart one of these shocks. And this is actually cool because they have this thing down here at the bottom that holds this piece in, which is cool because sometimes these things pop off on the trail. So if this one's going to be locked in with a screw like that, and slide it up and over the shaft, pull the spring off. So we'll take the top off, and then we'll add the oil in. And I usually fill it like 3/4 of the way up. That was a little bit full, so let me get some of that out of there. And I'll push the shaft up a little bit. We'll get a little bit more of that excess out of there. Pull it up, pull it down. Let's put a few more drops in there. Okay, maybe that was too much. So that should be about right, because it's not exceeding the top when you push the shaft all the way. So I will start putting the cap back on, just loosely, where I can compress this. Then I'll tighten up the top, and now it should be fine. So that works just fine. That's how you put the oil in. And I'm using a 37.5 weight. I use that either anywhere from 35 to 40 weight oil. It's not really, I don't need that heavy of an oil in there. Now we'll put this piece back on, put the screw back in. I can put the spring back down and put the screw back in. And that's it for the shock. I'll twist this up a little bit because I don't want it that far down. Let's see. That'll work. Okay, so next we're going to work on the links. You're going to need F1 and F2. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just build one, because they're all going to be the same anyways, so I'll build the rest off camera, and then I'll move on to the next step after that. So what you're going to need is one of your links, then we're going to take the rod ends, and we're just going to twist them onto the ends. Actually, let's hold that. And this tool is really nice. If you don't have one of these ProTech RC tools, I think you can find them online. Just Google it. I buy it at the hobby shop, or I bought this at the hobby shop. I'm pretty sure if your hobby shop doesn't carry them, you can get them probably through eBay or somewhere else online. Just Google it. You should be able to find them. So basically all you're doing is twisting these on there. I'm not sure how far I'll have to put this on, if it needs to go all the way down. I won't know that till I get it on the truck, but I'll probably start with it all the way down, and then we'll see if I have to adjust them from there. But for now, that's how you put it together. Just, if you want, twist it all the way on there. And then, one more thing that we want to do here, which this tool also helps for, is putting in this ball joint. And you just take that ball joint and stick it on the end of this, like that. Then this goes on this end. Then you're going to squeeze this down. And it puts it on there just like that. And I'll put one more on the other side. So just where that little metal, that piece is right there, bring this down. Just like that, snaps right in. And that's how you build them. And I'll be back after I build the rest of them. Okay guys, all the links have been completed. So they are ready to be installed on the chassis. And the next thing that we're going to install on the chassis are these, and I believe these are what hold on the skids, the rock skids. So we'll get to these next.